gonna do it. I'm gonna smash it.
And he'd also have to have a wonderful sense of humor. Because I would want to be with him all the time, all day and all night long. To cook for him and to clean for him, to listen to him and to learn from him. And like Snow White, I would know my prince immediately. All he'd have to do is kiss me.
Me?
Just once.
Mother! PA's out buying earrings, the Colonel's out buying cigars, and Murdoch's out of his mind. So what about me? Huh? I mean, what do I get to be out of? You know, we're supposed to be a team, an equal team. So if they're out of something, then I'm out of something. Anybody needs me, I'll be in tonight.
Wow! Ma, you better see this!
Whoa, Dad! I didn't know you were a player. Hey, you better get on the stick. I got the Soul Sisters coming over, and I'm gonna need the space.
Oh, Walter. Find me, Walter. Find me.
Huh?
Find me, Walter. Find me.
What?
Find me. Find me, Walter.
You mean to take you?
That's it. That's it. Take me, Walter. Take me in matrimony.
Oh.